So hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Galaxy tablet not charging or not turning on. So guys, if you are facing such type of issues, guys, you are not alone. Many have users having this type of issues, and in this video we will find some relevant way to resolve this issue. Okay, so guys, let's start.
Okay, so guys, before starting the process we need to check some prerequisites. First of all, you can check your charging cable and adapter. So guys, first of all, for example, I have 30-watt charger. So guys, you can make sure you have the good watt. Maybe it is more than 18-watt charger, because most of the tab supported 30-watt for their good performance and high speed charging. Okay, if you having the low, there is no problem, but I will recommend, because they provide a sufficient charging power for your battery of your tablet. Okay, another step, you can check and inspect your cable. So guys, you having the good cable with no cracks and no damage and no debris. Okay, so make sure both of the plugs are okay and they are probably fine. Okay, and you can use vice versa. Once you can attach this by your adapter, and this one is your tab, and next time you can use this point to your tab and this point for your adapter. Okay, so guys, I have the type C to type C connector. Okay, so guys, you can check both of the things. After checking this, you also check your power outlet. Sometime the power outlet also having the issue, so you can switch from one power to another power outlet. Then we have the another options. So guys, another options, we having the restart our tab. So guys, sometime the restarting can resolve these minor issues. So guys, you just press and hold your power button. If it is not from there, so you can go there and click here. Okay, so you can click here, so it's showing your restart option and power option, so you can click which you want. Okay, then another step, after performing step, if you're not getting the solution, so you also check your software update, because sometimes the older version creates such type of issues. So you need to check your tab is up to date or not. For checking an update, you just going to the setting. I am showing you again. Here you can go down and go to the software update. Okay, so it's showing download and install, so you can click here. Then it's showing that you have the update, so you can schedule the install and install now. So the update is a software update, can include but it is not limited device stabilities, bug fix, new and enhanced feature, further improvement and performance, and the security of your device has been improved. So this is the new update which having all the things. Okay, so guys, you need to update your device always. Okay, then guys, we have the another step. So guys, another step, you use the different cable. So guys, if you having any other cables which are and which is maybe the type C. Okay, because it's showing the it supported the type C, and you also clean your port, because sometimes there is some dust are getting inside your charging slot. So you can clean by any simple brush. Now we have the another step. So another step, guys, if your tab is under the warranty, so guys, you can directly contact the support team. Okay, they will be provide a better solution and better troubleshooting step of your problem. If you having if you don't have your warranty, so guys, you need to go any local shop for checking their port and other things. Okay, for contacting this customer support, it is very simple. You just go click here, and here you can type support. Okay, then you can click here on the support option. You can customer support. Okay, here you can raise your query in the app, and you just directly contact with the Samsung support team. They will be provide some solutions and some troubleshooting step of your problem. Okay, so here I am open the customer support page. Here you can sign in with your Galaxy device and sign in with your account. So what you have, you can select and you can sign in. Okay, I am tapping on OK. So it's showing sign in, so it's going to redirect me on the page of customer care. Here it's showing the app support samsung.com. So guys, here you can putting all the things like your service, your return email id, your serial number, IMI number, and it may be detect automatically. Okay, here you can attach your file. For example, it is not showing the charging, so you can take the screenshot and you can upload here, and here you can enter your subject, and here you can enter your detailed problem. Okay, for example, you just write my tab is not working properly and it is not charging well when I connect with the charging. So it's just showing the charger but battery is not charged and the level of the battery is still same. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.